Welcome back to Roots Ridiculous. Today there's really big minnows in the creek over there, and I'll see if I can try to catch them. So I have some bread, and I'm going to put it in this net and see if I can catch them. Come on. Right over here. As you can see, they're all down there. First, I'm going to have to get this piece of bread wet. So I'm going to make my trip over to that tiny island. And come back. There's some giant fish in here. Too much water. Usually you're supposed to make like a dough ball out of it. Supposed to make like a dough ball, and it's supposed to look like that. So now, I'm gonna grab the net, the dough ball in the net, hop down here, on this net, and let's have the dough ball. And the fish is to go in the net and the dough ball. And I'm trying to catch some big fish, which there's some. Try coming through the back. So yeah. I'm just gonna sit here and wait till one hops in. There's a giant one right there. So I caught a few earlier, and one looked like a baby carp, but it was probably a creek chub. Come on, fish. I'm waiting. Yes, come on. Oh, look at baby sunfish. I know it's a bluegill, baby bluegill. As you can tell, you can see the stripes by its mouth. It's baby bluegill. So I'm gonna let him go. I didn't mean to drop him. Oh, my dough ball's still here. So that back in there. And do the same thing, but right about here. Because most of the fish seem to go right here. And as soon as I say that, that fish looks like a piece of bread. Which, in theory, they'd like to come over here. So I might turn the net around, make some like chum, and then should just left the net right there. Please try to go in. There. There, yes. Just go in the net. I'm trying to get that big boy to come in. There's big boy right there. There's some sort of skull right there. Part of a skull, I think. Not sure. So yeah. And there's one right there by the rock. As you can see, that's probably a giant creek chub. But see, they're trying to go in the net. Go in the net. Around this way because it looks like they're interested in coming through this side. See, there's two of them right there. That's like this big. Because I'm trying to catch them, so. So yeah, he's right there. So close. Come on, just go in the net already. Just go with the net. Got one. I think it's bigger this time too. And this one's a little chub. This time I'm not gonna try to lose my bait. Yeah, little crate chub. And some people call these shiners because whenever they flip like this, you can see the shine. Yep, so there. There they go. Where's there's big daddies at? There they are. I imagine they go where they just came from. Yes! Come here, little fishy. Huh. I don't want to lose it because I don't know what type of fish this is. It's got yellow fins.
Yeah, that's cool. I think.
Something new. Usually don't get those. Until it's type of, gosh. No. There. I wanted to live. You know what type of species that is? Comment in the videos. Whatever it is, it's a type of flimsy fish. Still got a little bit in there. Breed. Put them back, right? There. Right there. The big daddies are there. See? I feel like I have to turn the net the other way.
You can try.
That's what I'm gonna do. There they go. Just gonna put it more down. And now we see the bread at the end. Ooh. It looked like there was a fish in it. I watched the bread move this way, like something took it. Yes, it's a bigger one, fatter one. Here's a bigger shiner. Can you see that shiny stuff? So yeah, there's a bigger one. So now I don't have to throw them in, I can just, there. My hand's gone. I'm not giving up. If it has to take more than one day, and I'll have to try to catch the big one again. See, that one looks like thousand. But I know it's not.
Here, can I pick this up? Dang it, hurry. We can't waste our own time.
He's right there. No. Get out. There you go. Look at that little piece.
There's like a grub.
Where?
Oh, that yucky thing. See it? Are you
Yeah.
gonna get that nasty thing? Chickens are coming. They're gonna eat your worms.
Hey, don't eat my worms. I'll let you have to grab though.
All right, gonna go try that?
Can I throw them the grub?
I don't care. Oh, it's gone already. She didn't even chew it.
Oh, so one time, here you go. One time I was in the creek and I caught a crawdad and I threw it up on the bank where the chickens were. First, they didn't know what to do with it, and one of the chickens, I think it was a Dominecker, which is that one over there, she swallowed it whole. And she didn't even go,
Your dad watched one eat a snake one time.
what, a baby snake?
Yeah. You catch a little fish out of here, that's all you did.
I bet.
It's an experiment. Chickens eat fish.
Crawled up here. Got it.
It's a pretty good size one.
Yeah.
Can't tell what it looks like. That's cool.
Take it off there.
Pink.
That's pretty. That's too big for the chickens to eat.
They'll eat it, but
Oh, it's got spikes on the top of its head.
yeah.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. You want to ask ChatGPT?
That's pretty though.
Can't get it.
Oh, yes, you can.
Come on, Reg.
There you go.
It's a weird fish.
It's pretty.
Can't tell if it's a bass.
Whoops. Dropped it again.
It's weird. Never seen that kind of fish. Oh, that's pretty well. Didn't you throw it back the tail bellies already?
Mm-hmm.
That was fast. Yeah, there should be some little fish here. But then, surprise my thing worked. And I'm gonna go probably not on the other side of the tree. That's what it was. Nope, right there. Right by that school of fish.
Ooh.
Fishies!
Oh, got off.
What the? These fish are hungry. See if I can see them jump.
Oh my goodness.
They're hungry, they don't get fed. They're teasing them. Got it. This one worked. How did you even pull up? There you go, this is a bluegill. Oh wow, this is a small fishy. A giant hook. Stop, fishy. Stop. I need to get the hook off of you. This one should be easy. Yeah. Well, dirt don't hurt. So you can see the blue lines.
Mm-hmm.
Goodbye. Oh, should I give it to the chickens? That one can live another catch. Imagine it's the same one.
I don't know. That one might look a little bit bigger.
Yeah, this one's too big for fishies to eat. Hey, it's a bigger bluegill. Oh crap, I can't tell it swallowed the hook.
No,
It did.
it didn't.
Where did it come out at? It did.
It did not. You gotta get it out anyway. Just take it out the same way it went in.
How? Because I don't know which way it went in.
Just
Oh. Bigger bluegill. Bye-bye. And she will turn up the worm. Now you need a smaller fish. Smaller, right? Hey, it's still a bait. I bet it was the same fish I caught last time. Get away from me, Matt. Yes.
Oh, that is. Oh, you missed it.
Dad, the fish jump over here.
Ooh.
Too big for the chicken sticks. This is a sunfish, I think. A little more. I'm not going anywhere. No, it's a bluegill. Sandy one. You got him in the top of the mouth. Day 2. We did catch some fish today. Please like, subscribe, and watch more videos. Bye.